Cities worldwide are growing rapidly due to population growth and migration, leading to informal settlements and inadequate sanitation systems. Bangladesh has 329 municipalities and 12 city corporations in urban setup. Due to the lack of an appropriate on-site sanitation system, unsafely handled fecal sludge ends up polluting groundwater. At present, safely managed sanitation services in Bangladesh is 39%. Poor sanitation and improper solid waste management lead to environmental problems and affect the quality of life for millions of people. With explained problem comes the need for better and more inclusive sanitation solutions in urban context. Citywide Inclusive Sanitation, or CWIS, is a comprehensive approach aimed at improving sanitation services and facilities in urban areas. The CWIS framework encompasses the key principles of accountability, responsibility, and resourcing for municipalities, aimed at ensuring safety, equity, and sustainability outcomes. The goal of CWIS is to ensure that all citizens, regardless of ability, age, gender, or socioeconomic status, have access to safe, hygienic, and dignified sanitation facilities and services. In order to ensure that all citizens have access to safe, hygienic, and dignified sanitation facilities, CWIS must incorporate effective FSM practices. The government of Bangladesh established the CWIS-FSM Support Cell in the Department of Public Health Engineering, as recommended in the National Action Plan of Institutional and Regulatory Framework of Fecal Sludge Management, and the 8th Five-Year Plan to do advocacy to scale up the CWIS approach, accelerating the safely managed sanitation journey of the country. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation provides support in establishing this cell. The CWIS-FSM Support Cell is working in an enabling environment in the country on the CWIS approach. Such CWIS ecosystem enables to work together with development partners, academia, practitioners and experts of the country and abroad. CWIS-FSM Support Cell develops an integrated waste management model for different municipalities where fecal sludge and solid waste can be treated together on one land. The cell is working within DPHE to develop guidance notes on CWIS approach, standard technical designs of integrated waste management, innovative ideas into practice, database decision-making frameworks, and appropriate business models of the Citywide Inclusive Sanitation Service. They are the catalysts for sustainable sanitation practice, and the cell is working with ITN-BUET for implementing the capacity building program for the CWIS. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation established Global Water and Sanitation Center at Asian Institute of Technology in Thailand. It provides technical assistance to new CWIS-driven investment projects. It also provides support to DPHE projects on establishing IMIS, improvement of the National Sanitation Board, and technical assistance in women and sanitation projects. A technical assistance project funded by the Gates Foundation resulted in the development of the National Dashboard for Sanitation Monitoring. The cell is now working with the SIR division of DPHE and Global Water and Sanitation Center for standardizing CWIS indicators, appropriate KPIs, and safely managed sanitation for individual municipalities, so that the data-driven decisions and monitoring of progress of individual municipalities of the country can be made, using the dashboard. The excreta flow diagram and the waste flow diagram are very critical to assess the situation of the municipalities, and the cell is committed to work closely with other INGOs and NGOs, UNICEF, and Municipal Association of Bangladesh to publish those individual reports. These peer-reviewed reports are available on Susanna website. The cell is also working with WaterAid, Practical Action, SNV, and other INGOs and NGOs to incorporate best practices and successful case studies and knowledge products, which are ingredients for the capacity building and guidance documents of many investment projects of DPHE. Throughout the cell's coordination, ITN-BUET already provides training on National Action Plan and CWIS modules to more than 100 municipalities of the country. The strategic support of CWIS-FSM Support Cell strengthens resource mobilization efficiently through advocacy with different development partners like the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, Islamic Development Bank, AIIB, and AFD on waste management in the urban setup of Bangladesh has catalyzing effect for the investment of CWIS-driven projects. So far, over $500 million United States dollars valued projects as new projects have been launched until 2023 to 2024 in DPHE. CWIS-FSM Support Cell's work on urban sanitation financing for national planning, data utilization for allocating resources and tracking progress, capacity building for citywide inclusive sanitation service delivery, CWIS or FSM model demonstration for developing exemplar CWIS town, policy advocacy for urban sanitation, market development for transformative technology are key to achieving sustainable urban sanitation. The CWIS-FSM Support Cell is committed to build a sustainable CWIS ecosystem in Bangladesh, partnering with development sectors and municipalities to accelerate the journey of SDG 6.2 by 2030.